Saturday the 14th of April 2018, the port of Felixstowe. As you can see, there's a container ship now coming in. I'll sweep down towards the main terminal where you can see there's a ship moored and there are the cranes. Sweep over, and in the distant foreground on the other side of the water is the port of Harwich. Sweeping back, it's a lovely day, the sun's out, and as you can see the ship is making its way in. And I'll sweep right round now just to see where we are. That's Land Guard Fort. You may have heard some bangs earlier on. That's obviously a military reenactment going on. I sweep all the way round to give you an idea where we are. Round. There's people out enjoying the sun. Back to the port. Sweeping round. Harwich in the foreground. Keep going round, 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 and you can see the ship is coming in. Well, there you have it. Saturday afternoon, April 2018, the port of Felixstowe. Lovely day.